The day you stop chasing members, everything changes. I know that sounds backward and you're probably thinking, more members is the goal, right? That's what I should be focusing on. It's not. Chasing members constantly is the avoidable surprise that actually stalls memberships, even the ones that are well established. So here is how it shows up. Every month feels like starting from scratch. You're thinking about the next launch, the next promo, the next webinar, and you bring in 5, 6 new members, but you also lose 4, 5 members, older members that have been here for a while. So you're basically filling a bucket with a hole at the bottom. And the problem is the hole, not the water that you pour in. Picture this. Your ideal members find your membership without you having to do another launch. They join because the fit is obvious, and 6 months down the line, they are still here with you. They are getting results, they are telling their friends, they are even giving you testimonials you did not even ask. And that's not a marketing win. That's a system running in the background, doing the work that you used to do manually. I call it MOS. It stands for Member Acquisition and Retention System. And it's just 3 pieces only. How people find you, those are your leads. How well they convert when they do, that's your conversion. And how long do they stay once they've joined? That's your retention. That's it. Leads, conversion, retention. And here is the part that most owners miss. They pour everything into the first piece. More leads, more leads, more leads. But if your conversion is broken, more leads is not going to fix it. And if members leave at the 3 months mark, you're back where you started. So it's 3 pieces, not 1. If you get all 3 running, then the math changes. Here's a real example. One of my clients has had a membership for a few years now. She loves it, the calls, the community. But every time we have a conversation around how things are going, I hear the same thing. The numbers are flat. She doesn't really have a system. She'll get 5 members to sign up, but then 4 or 5 older members would leave. So pretty much the same total for every single month, so it kind of evens out. And she told me, well, I thought that once I built it and people saw that members were getting results, people would come. Guess what? They don't. That's not how memberships work. So we installed our MOS, our Member Acquisition and Retention System, a very simple system for her, a way to bring in the right people on a regular basis that fits with what she wants to do, a conversion path that didn't depend on her launching because she didn't want to do big launches, and a retention layer so our members actually had a reason to stay past the 3 months mark. Weeks later, the bucket stopped leaking and started to fill. And she stopped dreading looking at her numbers. This is what changes when a MOS is installed. So if right now every month feels like a fresh push to try to get new members in, you don't have a marketing problem. You have a missing system. So 9 weeks from now, you're still pushing the same boulder up the hill, or you have your first version of your MOS going. If you want to find out more of how it works, there's a link in the description below. See you in the next video.